Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting immediate access to your Vivamax account. Sign in now so you can act. Once logged in, navigate to Account or Profile. This is where subscriptions live. Make sure you know which device and payment method were used, card, PayPal, or carrier billing, because cancellation steps differ. If you used an app store, prepare to open App Store or Play Store next. Do this now. Delaying can leave a renewal charge pending. You now perform the actual cancellation. Follow the path for your platform. On the web, open Profile, choose Subscriptions, then Manage and Cancel Confirm prompts. On iOS, open the App Store, tap your profile, Subscriptions, pick Vivamax, then Cancel Subscription. On Android, open Play Store, tap Menu Subscriptions, select Vivamax, then Cancel Subscription. Once done, watch for a confirmation screen or email. Keep that for proof. If auto-renew still appears, repeat the step carefully. You finish by confirming cancellation and handling exceptions. First, verify the confirmation email or subscription status on your account page. If you were recently charged, request a refund promptly and explain timing. Platform policies vary. If cancellation fails, clear app cache, try a different device, or log out and back in. These fixes resolve sync issues. If problems persist, contact Vivamax support with screenshots and the transaction ID for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.